Hi guys, what's up? Oge here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up? How are you? So guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I created my digital vision board, but much slower this time. So this video will cover the concepts behind the habit-based vision board. It will also cover the best place for you to place your vision board so that it is most effective for you. And also we'll be talking more about journaling because I got lots of questions about journaling, gratitude journaling, and how it works. So let's jump right into it. I knew that I didn't want my vision board to just be goal oriented. I wanted it to be more habit oriented. Habit oriented in the sense that I wanted my vision board to serve as a reminder for what I need to do to achieve those goals I had set. Now, a lot of people have Eiffel Towers on their vision board. A lot of people have G-Wagons. A lot of people have babies. A lot of people have their dream homes. That is absolutely good. I've done that in the past years. It totally helps to have what you want to achieve right in your face. And I mean, it can serve as a motivation for you to get up every day, for you to move out and reach those goals. But personally, this year I decided I was going to make mine more habit oriented. So if I'm talking about health, I have things like drink water, eat clean, nutrition. So these are the kind of things that I want to be reminded of. Your vision board should be habit based, so that whenever you look at it, it reminds you of the habit you need to cultivate for you to achieve the main goal that you have set. This is my favorite location in my room. So every time I walk here to either pick up a makeup brush or to pick up a pen or to sit down to record a video, I walk past it and I see some of the goals for which I have set for myself this year. So now I say drink water, and whenever I look around and I don't see water, I get up and I go and get a glass of water to drink. So speaking of, let me go and get myself a glass of water and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. So this just goes to make my point about what I've been trying to say. Just looking at this board has reminded me now that I haven't taken water for some time. I mean, since I started talking, so it just reminded me to go and get water. So that is what I am trying to say, guys. Your vision board should be more habit-based than just goal-oriented. So yes, you want to have a nice car. Good. How are you going to afford the nice car? So if you come to my career goals for the year, you see stuff like save, you see stuff like invest. In terms of my lifestyle, I said I was going to start doing journaling. Now journaling has really been helping me because every day, once I'm done for the day, before I go to bed, I put down the things that I am grateful for, and I implore you to start doing this every day. Before you go to bed, put down something on your gratitude journal, at least 3 to 5 things that you are grateful for. Is it the fact that somebody called you? Is it the fact that your family members are all well and fine? Is it the fact that you were able to eat something nice? There's so many things to be thankful for when you really think about it. I always tell people, if you sit back to count all the good things you have in your life, where is the time for you to think about the bad things and the things that you don't have, sis? So the gratitude journaling is very, very helpful. It's going to make a positive impact in your life once you start doing today. So no matter how little, always put down something you're grateful for. You want to first of all note down the aspects you like to cover on your vision board. Personally, I wanted to cover lifestyle, I wanted to cover YouTube, I wanted to cover career, and I also wanted to cover my health. So I went ahead, put that down on the paper, and then I sat down and started to think about these aspects. My vision board, I use the Canva app. So first of all, you want to go on the Canva app and search for vision board. I literally used the first template that was provided there, but what I did was I changed it to an A4 document, so you can resize it on Canva to an A4 document because I knew I was going to be printing it out. Once you have selected that, you want to go ahead and begin to customize it the way you want. So you can begin to change the fonts to whatever font you like. You can change the images to suit your goals and all the aspects that you want to be on your vision board. It's really as easy as just getting the right pictures that depict what you're trying to say on your vision board. You're done with all that, you can go ahead and save it as a PDF file and also save it as JPEG so that you can use it to design your phone's wallpaper. Now, to use your vision board as your phone's wallpaper, just select any wallpaper template on Canva, place them nicely on the templates just like I'm doing here. Once you're done with the placement, you can save it on your phone and also use it as your phone wallpaper. You can repeat the same process for your desktop. All you have to do is resize the design you have already made, choose the desktop template, and then place the pictures exactly the same way you did on your phone. Once you're done saving it on your phone, you can transfer it to your laptop and then you can make it your desktop wallpaper. This is what it should look like when you are done. Guys, that's all I have for you guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have further questions in the comment section and I'll be sure to address them. Okay, also, if you can, please share a clip of this video on your stories on Instagram so that your friends and family members can come here and learn some new goodies. Most importantly, if you have any topic that you like for me to talk about, please leave it in the comment section. Like I said, I'm going to be talking about career, I'm going to be talking about wellness, I'm going to be talking about hygiene, whatever it is, whatever questions you have, leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond to them. Okay, thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Remember, God loves you. Remember, I love you. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.